Hi, it's Stuart Carter here from Howard's Hyundai in Dorchester. Just about to show you a short video on this Hyundai Kona. This particular one is a 1 litre 120 PS TGDI Premium SE 5-door with the 6-speed manual gearbox. This particular car is in chalk white metallic and it has the full leather interior. Now this car was pre-registered by Hyundai UK, so they are currently the only keeper shown on the registration document for this car. The car has only done 14 miles. Now, it has some lovely features like front and rear park sensors, rear camera, satellite navigation, cruise control, among other items, and heated steering wheel as another feature as well. Now we're on London Road in Dorchester. If you'd like to come and have a look at this car, or give one of the team a call, 01305 266 066. And I hope you enjoyed it.